Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I finished this box. It's got a lid and legs and welcome. I will insert right here what the box looked like when I acquired it. It was pink with half-finished pictures, and first thing I did was make a lid. I made this by cutting two squares, one the size of the box and one the size of the box inside, and then gluing them together. I used DAP to fill the holes and cracks of the lid because the wood that I used wasn't the best quality. That's the finished project. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video.